99% of people have heard about artificial intelligence, but less than 1% truly understand how to use it. Most see ChatGPT as a writing toy or a shortcut for lazy people. But the truth is, it's an accelerator for human potential. If you know how to use AI correctly, it can multiply your focus, your learning speed, your income, and your freedom. This is not just a tech video. This is a roadmap to becoming more successful than 99% of people using tools that already exist today. So stay till the end of this video, because I'll show you real instruments that top creators, startup founders, and entrepreneurs are using right now to make thousands of dollars a month, automate half their work, and learn 10 times faster. Hit like, subscribe, and let's get into it, because your new competitive advantage starts right now. The internet made information free, but it also made focus rare. Everyone has access to the same tools, but only a few people use them strategically. AI doesn't reward curiosity alone, it rewards direction. Because AI mirrors your mind. If you ask lazy questions, it gives lazy answers. But if you think deeply, it becomes your most powerful business partner. The top 1% aren't tech geniuses. They're builders who discovered one truth. AI is leverage. They don't ask, can it do this for me? They ask, how can I use it to build systems that work without me? Their secret weapon isn't one magic prompt. It's a collection of small automations, daily habits, and workflows that make them unstoppable. Let's explore the same systems they use. Let's start with the foundation, productivity. The difference between someone who uses AI casually and someone who uses it professionally is system design. Tool 1. ChatGPT plus custom instructions. Customize ChatGPT under Settings to Custom Instructions. Tell it who you are, what you do, and how you want it to respond. Suddenly, it starts thinking like your personal assistant or business consultant. Tool 2. Notion AI. Combine Notion plus AI to organize your projects, automate summaries, and even generate client proposals. Example: AI writes your meeting notes, turns them into action tasks, and updates your project dashboard automatically. Tool 3. Gamma.app or Tome.app. These tools let you instantly create professional presentations or digital portfolios from a single text prompt. Example: type, create a 5-slide pitch for a sustainable clothing startup, and watch AI design a beautiful, ready-to-pitch deck. Tool 4. Perplexity.ai. Use it as your AI-powered research assistant. Instead of wasting hours on Google, Perplexity summarizes multiple sources, gives citations, and helps you understand any topic deeply. Tool 5. Fireflies.ai or Otter.ai. These record your meetings, transcribe every word, and summarize key insights automatically. Imagine finishing a 1-hour Zoom call and AI already prepared the notes, highlights, and tasks for you. Tool 6. Merlin, Chrome extension. It lets you use ChatGPT on any website, summarizing YouTube videos, writing emails, or analyzing data with one click. This is how professionals save hours every day. Now let's talk about something real: money. Here are practical, working systems people use right now to make income through AI. 1. Content automation. You can build faceless YouTube or TikTok channels using AI voiceovers like 11 Labs, AI visuals like Pictory or Runway, and ChatGPT scripts. Many creators are already earning thousands monthly using AI storytelling pipelines. 2. Freelancing with AI assistants. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of freelancers using AI to deliver faster results and take more clients. Example: writers use ChatGPT plus Grammarly plus Quillbot. Designers use Midjourney plus Canva. Marketers use GPT for ad copy and Notion for project management. They don't tell clients AI did it. They deliver results 5 times faster, earning more per hour. 3. Building micro startups. A single person can now launch digital products with zero coding. Tools like Glide, Softer, and Replit Ghostwriter let you build apps and sites powered by GPT. Example: create a niche AI tool like AI Resume Writer for nurses. Post it with no code, market it on Reddit, and generate passive income. 4. Education and consulting. Teach people how to use AI in their field. If you're good at prompts or automation, package that knowledge into a paid course or consulting service. Right now, the AI education industry is exploding. You don't need to be a developer. You just need experience and clarity. To stay ahead long-term, you need a personal AI system, not just random tools. Here's how the 1% structure their day around AI. 1. Morning learning. Ask ChatGPT or Perplexity to summarize a trending topic in your industry. Summarize the 5 newest AI startups in education and what problems they solve. 10 minutes, you're informed before others. 2. Work execution. Use Notion or ClickUp with AI to plan, write, and track tasks automatically. 3. Evening reflection. Ask AI, what did I achieve today? Analyze my schedule and suggest 3 improvements for tomorrow. It becomes your self-awareness mirror. 4. Weekly optimization. Ask GPT, based on my weekly goals, how can I remove distractions and improve focus next week? This is how ordinary people become elite performers, because they combine AI plus reflection and action. Success used to depend on what you know. Now it depends on how fast you can learn and adapt. AI is not replacing humans. It's revealing who is serious about growth. If you waste time, AI will replace you. If you learn fast, it will multiply you. AI is not your enemy. It's your mirror. What it gives you depends entirely on what you bring to it. You've just learned how to unlock the same tools that top creators, entrepreneurs, and innovators use daily. But information alone won't change your life. Action will. The 1% aren't smarter. They're simply faster at adapting. They experiment, they automate, they build, and while others scroll, they scale. So here's your next step. Start today. Apply one of the tools you've just seen. Comment below which AI app you're going to use first. Share this video with someone who still thinks AI is just a chatbot. And if you want to keep getting real, working strategies that are transforming industries and changing lives, subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.